Good morning, students. Again, let us solve the last numerical from the unit number 1, isn't it? So, for that, let us write down the problem statement. Just a minute. So, the problem statement is a steam power plant has coal consumption of 15,100 kg per hour with calorific value of coal as 16,000 kg per kilojoule per kg if the speed of steam turbine is 1150 rpm and radial distance is 2 meter and generated force is 3.25 kilonewton. Find generated torque second input power, third output power, and lastly the efficiency. Okay, so let us read the problem statement first. A steam power plant has coal consumption of 15,100 kg per hour with CV of coal. CV means calorific value of coal as 16,000 kilojoule per kg. If the speed of steam turbine is 1150 rpm, radial distance is 2 meter and generated force is 3.25 kilonewton, find generated torque, input power, output power and the efficiency. So let us write down the given data first. Okay. So, given data is coal consumption is nothing but 1500 kg per hour, which will be equals to 1500 divided by 360 and it will be kg per second. Okay, then CV of coal is equals to 16,000 kilojoule per kg. Then speed of turbine is N, which is equals to 1150 rpm. Then radial distance is equals to r, which is nothing but the 2 meter. Then generated force equals to F, which is nothing but 3.25 kilonewton, and which is 3.25 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Okay, so let us solve. Generated torque. Generated torque is equals to force into radial distance, which is equals to F into R. So 3.25 into 10 raised to 3 into radial distance is 2. So the answer will be equals to 3.25 into 10 raised to 3 into 2. So 6500 Newton meter is what is the T. Then input power is equal to mass rate of coal multiplied by CV of coal. So which is equals to 1500 multiplied by divided by 3600 and multiplied by 16,000. So which will be equals to 1500 divided by 3600 multiplied by 16,000. So which will be equals to 67,111.11 kilojoule per second. Okay. Nextly, we are going to what we can say, convert this into the watt. So it will be equals to 67,111.11 into 10 raised to 3 joules per second, and which is equals to watt. 67,111.11 into 10 raised to 3, that will be watt. This is what is the input power. Then output power is equals to 2 pi nt upon 60. So which will be equals to 2 into pi into n is given as 1150 and t we have found out as 6500 divided by 60. So its value will be equals to 2 into under root pi 1150 into 6500 divided by 60. So the value will be 782.780 into 10 raised to 3 watt. So this is what is the power output, and D is efficiency. So, and which is overall efficiency. So overall efficiency is output power upon input power. So which will be equals to, output power is nothing but the 782.780 into 10 raised to 3. Input power is nothing but the this 67,111.11 into 10 raised to 3 into 100. So if we calculate the efficiency 67,111.11. So the efficiency comes around 1.16%. Okay, so the efficiency is 1.16%. So that's it for this. I hope you might have understood the numericals which are based on your first unit. So that's it for this particular video. Thank you so much. All the best.